How to use the Archive file browser. The Archive can be directly accessed via the home screen. Tap on the Archive button in order to open it. When you are in a folder, you can find a search field in the upper right corner. This search field allows you to search for specific Spectra files. The columns of the file view can be adapted freely. As an example, we change the two individual columns date and time into one single column. Tap on the button with the dots in the dynamic toolbar and choose Select Columns. On the left you can see the active columns. On the right you can see the available parameters. Move a parameter to the right to remove it and to the left to add it. You can also change the order with the arrows on the side. Click OK to finalize. Now you can see that we have the combined date and time column. Now let's have a closer look on the dynamic toolbar. The first function allows to select and deselect all the files in the file list. Additionally, you can select individual files. Once at least one file is selected, the toolbar will show additional functions. You can now move, copy, sign, and delete the selected files. You can also upload new files and methods, or share the selected files via email, USB stick, or open them in Opus, or send them to a file archive. On the right, you can open the selected files in a Spectra view, report view, or similar depending on the file type. When we go back to the root structure of the archive, you can see that we can open or disconnect USB sticks. You can also access recent files. Or you can have a look into the recycle bin in order to restore or permanently erase deleted files. Now you know how to use the Archive file browser.